Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all parents and lecturers. My name is Mushahrafah Binti Khairulisham. My supervisor name is Dr. Binti. I'm from Department of Electrical Engineering Technology for the Faculty of Engineering Technology. My project is about smart recycle dustbin with Wi-Fi monitoring system. So I'm here today to explain about this project. I will explain first about the abstract. Smart recycle bins with Wi-Fi monitoring system has taken place to improve the waste management. Therefore, objective of this project is to make recycling easier. It also make it easier people to put their trash in the bins. So the project produced because of three problem statement, which is the location of the dustbin is usually fiddly and smelly. Animals constantly open the lid of trash cans to find the food. And lastly, difficult for the garbage collector to collect unspreaded rubbish. So this project would include four types of sensor, which is the first sensor is for open and close the automatic doors, and then the three other sensor is for sense paper, metal, plastic, and weight garbage. Due to the fact in this project the system would spread the garbage when the items are contained within the garbage, so the waste are tracked by smart bins using Wi-Fi system integrating the Telegram-based information system. As a result, the employer connected to a wireless network from the dustbin to monitor the level of garbage in the bins. So finally, this project will make the environment clear and help for humans. Next, I will explain about the introductions. Okay, actually, this project represent and discuss about an attractive design for an intelligent dustbin for exciting in the recycling process. So this is because people now stay required an intelligent product which is to reduce the number of manpowers. So particularly in the industrial sector. So this smart dustbin with Wi-Fi monitoring system has been designed for industrial use to aid employer in garbage monitoring. So these recyclable materials such as plastic, metal, um, paper, and weight garbage would be automatically separated. And the smart dustbin project is very useful because helpful for the garbage disposal by segregating in according its type, thus contributing in a green means to the society and the environment. In ensuring the desired goal for the recycle program are achieved, an effective implementation of the 3R, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle concept and the practice in the solid waste management is. So because of the 3R, which is reduce, reuse, and the recycle program are increasing to encourage the reduction of waste going into the landfill for protecting and conserving natural resource, environment, and energy. And then I will go to the literature review. Okay. This literature review is about the sensor density. So I have found the author was developed and system. In the project, sensor and converter are always designed for the some physical or chemical law or principle. So in addition, sensor has been used for measures physically quantities such as distance, linear, light intensity, vibrations, and more. So because of that, most of project use sensor as a equipment to sense is it their one. So as examples, efficiency IoT based Smart Bin for Clean Environments. So this channel or this project has been used sensors, ultrasonic sensors to automatically close and open the lid of dustbin. At the same time, they also use ultrasonic sensors to detect the height of the dustbin. And then infrared sensor also they use to prevent waste from accumulating around the dustbin. Next, an infrared sensor is used to detect for the objects. And I really found the other project that has been used sensor for this dustbin, and they have used this ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance, accuracy, and consistently. So all the concept they use I has been developed in this project, which is I use infrared sensor to detect object to open and close the lid of the dustbin, and I also use the concept of ultrasonic sensor to detect distance, which is I use it for the level monitoring system, for the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the width in the sections. So we go to the methodology. So here I will explain about the dustbin. Okay, you can see here this is the recycle smart recycling dustbin here. So you can see here actually in the dustbin we have two microcontroller, which is Arduino Uno and ESP8266. At the microcontroller Arduino Uno, it will connected for the IR sensor. This is used to open and close the lid of the dustbin, and also connected inductive, capacitive, and moisture sensor to detect the type of waste. And then also the servo motor and DC motor are connected in the Arduino Uno. But in the ESP8266, we connect with ultrasonic sensor. We have three ultrasonic sensor and one buzzer will be connected at the ESP8266. This is because the ultrasonic sensor system, which is level monitoring system, is used Wi-Fi. So the ESP8266 can connect with Wi-Fi connections. So I choose the ESP as a microcontroller for level monitoring system. So we can see here the flowchart is about the uh, level monitoring system. So when the ultrasonic one is detected, means ultrasonic ones, the buzzer will be on for the 5 seconds, and then the buzzer will be off. After the buzzer off, the telegram will get the notification say that section for metal is full. It's sent by the ESP8266. And then it's also same with the ultrasonic 2. Ultrasonic 2, when it's detected, the buzzer also will on, then have some delay for 5 seconds, and then the buzzer will off. And then the telegram will get the notification from the ESP8266 say that section for wet is full. Then the lastly is ultrasonic 3. Ultrasonic 3 is for the last section in the dustbin. So when the ultrasonic 3 is detected, the buzzer will also on, and then have some delay for 5 seconds, and then buzzer will be off. And then the telegram will get the notification from the same ESP say that section for metal, for paper and plastic is full. So this is the system for the level monitoring system. This system is the IoT system in this smart recycling dustbin. Next, you can see the result and the discussions. In this result, I will explain first about the prototype project. So you can see here, this is the top view for the prototype, and this is the front view, and this is inside the garage. So you can see here, this is example, which is metal waste is detected. So how metal is detected? Firstly, the waste will be put in front the sensor. So in this case, the inductive sensor will be detected, which is for the metal. So if they detected, and then the LCD display will display first section. Actually, the first section is for metal, second section for weight, and third section for paper and plastic. And then after they display the sections, the motor or the servo motor for the metal thing will be rotated for 180 degrees to ensure the waste go to their sections. Okay, you can see here the motor here rotate 180 degrees, and then the waste will go into the section. So this is the result. The waste go into the section. So the same things will be done for the weight and paper and plastic. So this is the telegram result when the section is full. Actually, this telegram result is for the detecting level. So when the ultrasonic one is detected, so it will send section for metal is full. So this is the result from the telegram notification. So you can see here that they have Wi-Fi connected and system has started. This is actually when the power supply is on. When the power supply is on, and then the ESP is connected to the Wi-Fi, so they will send the notification say that Wi-Fi is connected. After the Wi-Fi is connected, and then the system will be started. And so they send the notification say that system is started. So in the discussion, in this project, the segregation system was tested more than 10 times to ensure that it performs exactly as expected. This accurate because the simulation result is not always match the actual result during the hardware test. So this situation actually are conquered on this project during the testing phase. So this testing take a long time to ensure the separating system work properly. And then finally during the final test, and then the system perform flawlessly and smoothly. And then the issue as affected the Wi-Fi monitoring system is a programmable problem. This programmable problem is a common issue when correcting a product that required a program to run that automatically. So considering the massive volume of recycled waste produced annually. So the invention of the smart recycle bins that utilizes as a Wi-Fi has a high potential commercial value, as this will increase significantly the amount of recycled waste collected. So for the conclusion, the general goal of this project was make the factory environment clean and safe, at the same time to make the factory dustbin are clear and less smelly. So furthermore, this project provides assistance in the recycling process with reduced recycling procedures such as separating system. Furthermore, this project has made use of IoT system in order to integrate a dustbin with Wi-Fi monitoring system, would allow people to keep track of the number of cans in the trash cans. So as a result, this project has been achieved its final goals, which is evaluate the functionality of a dustbin. So this project will assist the country in becoming more ecologically responsible. So this is the reference. This is a few reference for this project. That's all of my presentation today. Thank you for listening.